Hey, what's going on guys? It's Zell. As you can see, it's been a long time since I've made any videos on this channel, but I decided to go ahead and get back into doing lighting tutorials and videos like that. This video is basically me announcing that, but I figured while I'm here, I might as well give you a quick little tutorial, kind of give you a concept and idea of what you'll be seeing on this channel. I'll be doing some other lifestyle things, probably a little bit of fashion here and there. I'm currently on a journey of getting some dreadlocks. I had some before, I cut them off during quarantine, so I decided to grow them back. But I'll go ahead and hop into my first unofficial tutorial. We'll do a quick one about how to use natural light to make your videos look better. Natural light is probably the easiest form of lighting to use when you're on a budget, when you don't have money for nice expensive lights. And this is great for any type of video, even if you're just doing a conference call. A lot of people know about that now after quarantine and having gone through this whole doing work from home thing. There's been a lot of Zoom meetings and stuff like that. So if you want to make your Instagram videos look better, take better selfies, just have a nice looking video call when you do meetings, using natural light when you can is probably the best option. As you can see, I have a window right here that's lighting me, and that's the main source of light that I'm using for this video. I don't have any other lights on in the house right now. This apartment is actually really great for natural light. We have a lot of big windows. This is actually the doors going out to our balcony, which is bringing a lot of natural light into our apartment. Little side note, me and my wife are currently in the process of packing up because we're moving. So that's probably the one thing I would probably miss the most about this apartment is the great natural light that it has. So make sure you find your spot in your house or your office with a lot of natural light. The next thing you want to do is make sure you position yourself properly for whatever effects you want. If you stand right directly in front of your window, you can see that it basically flattens everything out, so everything is lit well, which is probably great if you just want to have good, clear lighting on your face, good, clean look. You're not looking for any dramatic or stylistic type of lighting. I like how this looks, where it's like this side is kind of in shadows, so that's why I chose to stand this way. It's more for a dramatic, artistic look. And as you can see, the further I turn this way, the darker this side of my face gets. This is something that I just love to play with, is the shadows cast by light. Also notice that how close you are to your light source or your window will kind of have a different effect as well. If I step over to the side, and I kind of keep, I'm trying not to trip over stuff. Like I said, we're moving, so there's a bunch of stuff on the floor. But you see, the window's over there, but I walked over here. So this side of my face is way darker. You can still see this side a little bit, but if I want to be seen more, I need to get closer to the light. That's pretty obvious, but you know, as you can see, if you turn here, I'm still lit pretty well. But the closer you get to it, the better. Again, that can be a personal preference thing on what you want, but if you're using your phone or you're using a webcam, it's probably better to get as close to light as possible because your settings on your camera will be limited. So hopefully that wasn't too long. Hopefully I didn't get overly complicated in that one. That wasn't my goal. As 2020 showed us, video, live chats, video is here to stay and it's going to be in our lives. So we might as well learn how to use it and make our videos look good to present ourselves in the best way possible. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and the notification bell so that way you can stay up to date when I release more, because like I said, I'm going to be doing a whole lot more videos. And yeah, peace.